can see in the background where I'm heading, there is a storm coming this night, so I need to head up there before it's too late and find a place to build a shelter. If you look at the horizon over there, you can see that I am in a hurry. Okay, we have, thank you. The wind is picking up and it's getting dark outside, so it's time to settle down. I think it will go fine, even though it will be a long 12 hours. More than maybe half an hour without the proper shelter. That was scary. And the snow, it hurts, you know, it hurts like hell when you get it in the face. I am warm and cozy inside here, but I must admit that I did a few mistakes yesterday. The wind direction, I thought it would come from the south, but it's actually more from the west, which means that it is blowing in some snow into the shelter. And of course, if you look at the ceiling inside here, you can see that it's far from good enough. Well, maybe it is good enough for one night, but the problem is, you know, when you live inside here, you breathe, maybe even cook your dinner, the air inside will condensate and creating a thin layer of water on the ceiling. If it's not smooth enough, it will start dripping down from pegs here and there. So a little bit more work with smoothing out the ceiling, and the water would have run down on the walls instead. Oh, nice weather, eh? So, while sitting inside here and waiting out the storm, I'm thinking about the Quincy. It's a good kind of shelter for some situations, but totally it's not my favorite. First of all, it is quite time consuming to make one. Secondly, not only time consuming, but also it costs a lot of energy. Third, you will get wet. Still, of course, there is a situation where a Quincy is the best alternative. It's fun to build it, so if you have time, do it. I recommend it. The storm is starting to die outside. I think it soon will be time for us to leave this shelter. Getting back to the car, there is about 1 hour of skiing to get there, and I want to make that before it gets too dark. If you want to learn more about activities outdoors, please hit the subscribe button. or if you just want to follow along for the fun of it. Also, if you like what you saw, please hit the like, and if you have any questions, just comment it below and I will answer it. Knowledge make fun safe. Remember that. Until next time.